Hi, I'm Nicole, Chapter's Interior Design Lead, and I'm so excited to walk you through our latest renovation at Triplex in Union Square. With our new design, we really distinguish between the three floors. The first, cooking and dining. The second, living and recreation. The third, private living. This project is full of design details that elevate the space with a big impact. This kitchen is just amazing, from colors to finishes to textures. We have two-tone cabinetry in custom paint colors that were carefully selected. The doors are a modern take on the classic shaker with a narrow profile. The copper is an unexpected metal choice that completes the kitchen perfectly. Copper also has unique antimicrobial properties, making it an excellent choice for a kitchen sink. The range itself is practically an art piece with its off-white enamel finish and copper detailing. The soft gray toned quartz balances the design, including our porcelain backsplash tile that has a muted marble tone and a three-dimensional diamond profile. We also did an accent wall covering over here because the client plans on hanging their first piece of original art. Take a look at this tiled island front. Our clients have an adorable dog that loves to scratch up the millwork. The kaleidoscope mosaics are not only aesthetically exciting and unique, they provide a protective layer to ensure the longevity of the new kitchen. We also worked in a little dog cave to store his food and water. Moving up to the living room, we redid the railing and the stairs. The main feature of the living room is the new electric fireplace with the matte black herringbone brick surround and natural wood mantle and corbels. Onto the third floor, we created a hideaway for our clients by closing off the loft with a half-height wall and glass paneling. We painted the ceiling the palest of blues for relaxation and tranquility. The entrance to the bedroom is a Dutch door with a matte black finish and textured glass. 1, the clients get some extra light and air into their room. 2, their pup gets to run in and out. And 3 is a normal door. That's the end of our tour. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Start a new chapter with us.